Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Our favorite is the Wilton Bash. It's an absolute monster of a sledgehammer, capable of delivering immense driving or destructive power. The main points you need to consider are weight, shaft length, and materials. Sledgehammer weights range from 2 to 20 pounds.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The head mass is usually 1 to 9 kilograms, 2.2 to 19.8 pounds. Modern heavy-duty sledgehammers come with 10 to 20 pound, 4.5 to 9.1 kilograms heads. Sledgehammers usually require 2 hands and a swinging motion involving the entire torso, in contrast to smaller hammers used for driving in nails.
Take our lead.
Sledgehammers will strengthen muscles, tendons, and ligaments in the wrist, elbow and shoulder girdle. This is the perfect tool for fighters looking to strengthen those areas and increase explosive power.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Strike after strike, the results speak for themselves. The Wilton Bash Unbreakable Handle Sledgehammer is the toughest sledge ever built. With molten steel bars reinforcing the handle, and a locking steel plate holding the head to that handle, the Bash will hold up when you need it most.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.